We are currently at a time where it is post-dusk, which is a time when the northern long-eared bat, or the Myotis septentrionalis, will come out to feed and forage. And what they will feed on are insects such as moths, leafhoppers, beetles, and flies. And they do this under the understory of trees and dense brushes, as seen right here. And now we will go to Ethan Boone, where he interviews an expert on the northern long-eared bat.
What is the range of the northern long-eared bat?
So the core of the species range really is the kind of eastern United States, the Northeast, all the way into the Midwest. And within the U.S., it does extend further westward in Montana and Wyoming to the western edge of the Great Plains ecosystem. In Canada, it's found across eastern Canada, but within the boreal forest out into pretty far western Canada, like BC and Yukon.
And what are the biological requirements of the species, and how does that affect its behavior?
So the biological requirements of this species really center around forests. For example, this is a species that forages within high clutter environments. That's, picking insects off of or around trees and bushes. They also roost in various conifer and deciduous trees, making use of cracks and crevices within the bark or the trees themselves, but also occasionally in sheltered areas on branches. And as bats are seasonal animals, they're active within the spring, summer, and fall. During the winters, they seek out sheltered areas that they could hibernate within. And that would be in Montana. We know that of at least one individual who overwintered in an abandoned coal mine, but elsewhere across the range, they've been found to use caves, also cracks and crevices and rock faces, among other features.
And why is the northern long-eared bat endangered?
Well, up till about, say, the mid-2000s, they were very common across the range. However, a pathogenic fungus, Pseudogymnoascus destructans, was introduced into North America in around 2006-2007 in New York State. This fungus causes the disease white nose syndrome, and that disease has had catastrophic impacts to populations of this animal, such that at some sites between 97 and 100% of those animals have disappeared. And these declines are almost exclusively responsible for the listing of this species as endangered.
So what we have learned in our adventure is that the northern long-eared bat is mostly native to the larger region of North America, and that it is endangered because of a fungal disease. So what can we do to help this endangered species? Well, what we can do is use our education and our awareness that we have learned in this video, and that if you do come across a northern long-eared bat that is infected by this disease, then please report it to your local Fish and Wildlife Services office. And thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you again in the future.